Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to this amazing channel. My name is Irene, and in case you are coming across to this channel for the very first time, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and also sharing this amazing video. So today it's actually on Sunday, and the time is around 3 in the evening. And what is happening? We've been having a lot of rain. You see, it has been raining. Yes, too much rain, guys. And being on Sunday, I just want to go to the market. Want to go to buy tomatoes, and yeah, and then I also take you for a tour of the market, so that guys you can see what is really happening right here. So please subscribe the channel, like this video, share, and after watching this video to the end, please leave a nice and sweet comment down below. So thank you so much, and enjoy the video, guys. Yeah, so guys, I am doing this video using my brother's phone. So my camera, the battery is not charging, guys. I thought like it was because of electricity, so when electricity came I tried to charge it. It's not doing me justice, so I'm using my brother's phone. I'll come from that side and I'm going to this side. No, it is very difficult to do a video at the market. Very, but yeah, we will see what happens, guys. So subscribe the channel and keep it locked here, guys. It has been raining for 2 good hours. Even the, what we call when it rains, see the hailstones? Yes, it rained very bad, and it has now spoiled our tea leaves so badly. I heard my mom saying my tea leaves has been spoiled because when it rains it kills even the beans, the corns, you know. Yeah, so that is it. This is the other side where like the road is super bad, super bad. But don't worry, guys, I have my boots on. So let me just take you for a tour of this place. These ladies, they're coming actually from the market. So the main road, guys. Poa sana. Okay, mist over there. Yeah, this market is not marketing today. Maybe because it rained and it is too super cold. I have even 2 sweaters. So guys, I'm actually going out of the market. Why? Because I'm not even bought anything. I just wanted to show you around. This is a video might not be clear, but I'm working on how to get my battery, like the battery for my GoPro. There's a truck here that is selling corns. If I had money, I could have bought. Like last time we bought 41, so 41 tins. That's really pushed us still yesterday. Yeah. So if I had money, that truck, I could have bought that. A boat, but now the garage. This one right here. If I had money, I would have bought a whole sack, because they normally sell at wholesale price, you know. What's been? Once they're fixing the internet. somewhere right here, actually around the main stage. Right, somewhere on this side, and I'm actually from the market, and I'm trying to look for the medicine for our cow. So I went to another agrovet. There's an agrovet which is on the other side, down there, very far from here. That's where I'm heading to. I see how much they're selling it. Yeah, I will buy. It's so too cold. I'm even wearing two sweaters. I don't know if you can see me well too.